Hey everyone! Are you searching to add custom fields to your Tutor LMS registration forms? This is super useful if you need to collect information like national IDs, phone numbers, student IDs, or any other custom data during registration. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add unlimited custom fields that automatically appear on registration forms, user profiles, and even in WordPress admin. Ready to set this up? Let's do it! First things first, you need to install our newest plugin, Tutor LMS Custom Registration Fields. Once this plugin is active, you'll find it under Navigate to Tutor and click Custom Fields. See that? Perfect. This is the plugin interface. On the left, we have the form to add new fields. On the right, we'll see all our existing fields, which is empty right now since we're starting fresh. All right, let's create our first custom field. I'm going to create a national ID field. This is super common for educational platforms. First up, field key. This is the unique identifier. Think of it as the field's internal name. I'll type national ID. Notice I'm using lowercase, numbers, and underscores only. That's required. This field key cannot be changed later, so choose wisely. Next, label. This is what users actually see. I'll type national ID number. Meta key. This is optional. It's the database key where the data gets stored. I'll use nationalid. The underscore prefix keeps it hidden from public-facing areas. If I leave this empty, it'll just use the field key. Now field type. We have 6 options: text, email, number, date, text area, and select. For a national ID, I'll choose text. Placeholder. This is hint text inside the field. I'll type, enter your 10-digit national ID. Column width. This controls how wide the field appears. I'll keep it full width for now. You can do half width or 1/3 if you want multiple fields side by side. Now the important part, required. I'm going to check this box because national IDs are critical information. Error message. This shows when someone tries to submit without filling the required field. I'll leave it empty and it'll auto-generate, or I could type something like, national ID is required to verify your identity. Finally, display options. These control where the field appears. 1. Show on profile display page. Show on profile edit page. 3. Show in WordPress admin. I'll keep all 3 checked. Perfect! Now I'll click Add Field. And boom! There it is in our existing fields list. The field is saved and ready to use. Great! Now let's create a few more fields to show you different field types. Let's do a phone number. This will be a simple text field. Field key, phone number. 2. Label, phone number. 3. Type, text. 4. Required, yes. 5. Placeholder. Enter your 10-digit phone number. Done! This is where it gets interesting. All right, let's see these fields in action. I'm going to the Tutor registration page. Look at that! All our custom fields are here automatically. They're perfectly integrated. Great! The registration works perfectly with our custom fields. Now let's check the profile page. I'll log in as this user and go to My Profile. See? All our custom fields are displayed here automatically. National ID, phone number, all showing the data we entered. And if I go to Profile Settings. Finally, as an admin, I can edit any user's custom fields from WordPress admin. Let me show you. Navigate to Users and click Edit User. Scroll down, and there they are. All our custom fields are here, and I can edit them as an admin. This is super useful for support or data corrections. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress and Tutor LMS tutorials. And drop a comment if you have questions. I read every one.